I'm going to review the ThermoPro waterproof digital instant read meat thermometer. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this meat thermometer for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone who loves cooking or grilling, the ThermoPro digital instant read meat thermometer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a weekend warrior in the kitchen, this little tool will take your culinary game to the next level. Let's explore why this could be the best investment you make for your kitchen. First off, let's talk about speed and accuracy. The ThermoPro thermometer features a 3.9-inch stainless steel probe with a high-precision sensor that gives you an accurate temperature reading in just 3 to 4 seconds. That's faster than most thermometers out there. No more guessing if your steak is medium rare or overcooked. This device is accurate to within fly size 0.9 degrees, ensuring you get it right every time. Now, what makes this thermometer even more practical is its IPX6 waterproof rating. You can rinse it under running water without worrying about damaging it. Cleanup is a breeze, which is perfect for those of us who love cooking but hate the cleanup. And here's a feature that really stands out: the lock function. It allows you to lock in the current temperature reading even after you remove the probe from the meat. No more dangerously leaning over a hot grill or oven to get your reading. Simply remove the probe and check the temperature at a safe distance. Storage is a breeze too, thanks to the foldable probe and magnetic back. You can easily tuck it away in a drawer, hang it on a kitchen hook, or stick it right on your fridge. Convenience and functionality are key, and the ThermoPro delivers on both. One of the features that make this thermometer a long-term investment is its calibration function. Over time, thermometers can lose accuracy, but with the ThermoPro, you can easily recalibrate it to ensure it stays as precise as the day you bought it. So whether you're grilling, frying, baking, or making candy, this thermometer is versatile enough to handle it all. From meats to oils, you can trust the ThermoPro to give you accurate readings every time. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that while the ThermoPro is packed with great features, it does have a slight learning curve when it comes to calibrating the device. It's not overly complicated, but if you're not familiar with calibration, you might need to refer to the manual a couple of times. Overall, the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's fast, accurate, easy to clean, and has features that make it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're cooking up a feast for your family or just want to perfect your grilling skills, this thermometer is a must-have. Don't just cook like a pro with ThermoPro. If you'd like to get one for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.